Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making the most delicious crunchy bell pepper pork fried rice. This is my go-to for using up leftover rice and turning it into something super flavorful and satisfying. The secret? Keeping those yellow bell peppers nice and crunchy by adding them at the end. Plus a perfectly marinated pork that packs in all the flavors. Let's get cooking. First up, the ingredients. For the pork marinade, you'll need about 200 grams of pork. Thinly sliced or diced works best. Marinate it with 1.5 to 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, half a teaspoon salt, and 1 to 1.5 teaspoons grated fresh ginger. For extra tenderness, toss in 1 teaspoon cornstarch and a teaspoon of oil. Mix it all up and let it sit for at least 15 minutes. For the rest of the dish, 3 to 4 cups of cooked chilled rice, tape all is ideal to avoid mushiness. You'll also need 2 to 3 tablespoons neutral oil, 3 cloves minced garlic, 4 to 5 green onions with the whites and greens separated, 1 large yellow bell pepper diced, 2 to 3 beaten eggs if you like that classic touch, 2 to 3 tablespoons soy sauce to taste, and a drizzle of sesame oil to finish. Optional, a pinch of white pepper for extra zing. Quick trivia brain. Did you know fried rice actually dates back to the Sui dynasty in China around 589 to 618 AD? It started as a smart way to use up leftover rice that had gone cold and hard, stir-frying it with whatever was around, like veggies, meat, and soy sauce. That's why it's such a perfect clean out-of-fridge dish. It spread across Asia and evolved into versions like Yangzhou fried rice in China, nasi goreng in Indonesia, and even Japanese chahan. Cool, right? No wonder it's a global favorite. Alright, let's go. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large wok or skillet over medium-high heat. Add your marinated pork and stir-fry until it's nicely browned and cook through about 3 to 5 minutes. In the same pan, add another tablespoon of oil. Toss in the minced garlic and the white parts of the green onions. Saute for 30 to 60 seconds until super fragrant. Don't let the garlic burn. Then mix everything together. Now, add your cold rice. Break up any clumps and stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes to heat it through and get those nice crispy bits. Return the pork to the pan. Pour in the soy sauce, start with 2 tablespoons and adjust the taste. Stir everything so the rice gets evenly coated and flavorful. Here's the key for crunch. Add diced yellow bell pepper last. Stir fry for just 1 to 2 minutes so it stays bright, sweet, and crisp. Finish with a drizzle of sesame oil. Give it a final taste. And adjust seasoning if needed. Maybe a bit more soy or a pinch of pepper. Plate it up hot and garnish generously with those chopped green onion tops for that fresh pop or color. There you have it. Easy, quick, and packed with flavor. Crunchy yellow peppers, tender pork, garlicky goodness, all in under 30 minutes. If you try this, let me know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more simple recipes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.